Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to add table of contents to your site. One of the places where you can find table of contents is Wikipedia pages. So why it's good for your site to have table of contents? First of all, because it's good for user experience. If you have big pages with a lot of content on your site, then your visitor will be able to navigate from one part of the article to another like this. And it's not only about user experience, but also I think table of contents are good for your SEO. So let me show you example. If somebody will search table of content references, he will be able to go directly to this part of the page, not just to general page, but directly to part of the page that he searched, like in this example. So how you can install it on your WordPress site? There is one good plugin designed especially for this purpose, and I already installed it on my example site here. There is a lot of settings that you can configure and make it work for you. One of the important is how much heading there should be on the page to show table of content. Also, how to insert. If you want it to be on post, check this. Also, you can hide for default. No, let's show it, and then maybe play a little bit with settings. So we should create new post, add some fake content, and you can add subheadings. For example, it can be subheading at level 3. Publish. Now we should see how it works. Okay, so we see table of content. Now, if you want, you can move table of content from your main part of the site to sidebar. For this, you can use widget. Appearance widgets. And here you can find new widget Talk Plus. Now you can save it, and let's see how it looks now. Okay, now we have two table of contents, but also if you don't want it to be here, you can just press this check this checkbox and hide. Now it disappears. Now let's talk about a little bit more about settings. So if you wish, you can hide it by default. Maybe I forgot to save it. Yes. Also, you can choose where to show it. You can change text here. You can show it after first heading, for example. You can change styles here. So now it after first heading. Also, if you wish, you can use a shortcut to place this table of content to any part of the page you want. For example, you can put it like here. Okay. If for example, for this page you want to hide table of contents, you can use no talk. So now it's disappear. As you can see, it's really simple and useful. You can read more about this in plugin documentation.